Welcome back. So question 31. We're not going to go through the whole paper, but we've picked out a few questions which you will feel that are going to be really useful in this sample paper given by Taylor Merchant School. And so let's look at this question. Question 31a. It's one of the last questions of the paper. The mean age of the 5 members of the Macaroon 5 boy band is 18. A new member joins the band. His age is 24. What is the new mean age of the group? So, the new mean age of the group. So, we know there are 5 members currently, and they have an average age of 18. So, altogether, that must mean that the total age must be 5 times 18, which is 90. So if we add all the ages together, that must give us 90. So how does that help us? Well, if that's 90, if the total age of the 5 is 90, then that means that we know there are 5 members, average age is 18. When the new member comes in, and we know his age is 24, that must mean that the total age now must be 90 add 24, which is equal to 114. And so the total age is 114, and we've got 6 members now. So it would be 114 divided by 6 to work out the new mean age, which is what we're asked to do. What is the new mean age of the group? So in this question, we needed to make sure we have 6 members when we work out the mean, and we need to work out the total age of the members. We didn't know the total age of the first 5 straight away. We had to work that out, and that's where we got the 90, and we added the additional years that the 6th member brought to us, which is 24. 90 add 24 is 114, and 114 divided by 6. How could I do 114 divided by 6? I could use the standard method that I think most of us by this age should be quite confident with, which is long or short division, whichever one you prefer. So I could do 6 into 11, it's going to be 1, 5 remaining, and then you've got 9, which is 54 divided by 6. And so you've got 19. So the new mean age would be 19. Alternatively, I could split this up into numbers I'm confident with. I know 114 would be something like 60 and 54. 60 add 40 is 100, plus another 14 is 114, yep. So 60 add 54. And I know 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. And I know that 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. And therefore, it's going to be 19 altogether. So 114 divided by 6 is 19. And so that's another way we could work this one out. Find 4 numbers which have a mean of 7, a median of 8, and a mode of 9. It's a tricky question, right? So how would I go about solving a question like this? Well, first thing is they're asking you to think of 4 numbers. And so in the question, I'm going to think about that first. So what I might do is I might draw 4 lines for my 4 numbers and then start to play around with that. I know the median has to be 8. Now, because there are 4 numbers, to work out the median, I will have to have 2 numbers here. They could both possibly be 8, but then it says there's a mode of 9. So we know there must be at least 2 nines. There must be at least 2 nines. And I know the median is going to be 8. So I have to make sure that one of the numbers is 7. So 7 add 9 is going to be 16 divided by 2 will give me the median of 8. I've got a mode of 9. That means I've got 2 numbers that are 9 at least, or the majority of the numbers have to be 9. So I could have another 9 if I wanted to, but would that make the mean 7? So to have a mean 7, and I've got 4 numbers, that must mean that I have to have 7 times 4. That must mean that the 4 numbers have to add up to 28. The sum of the four numbers must be 28. So I've got 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 25. So this must be a 3. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus the 18 here, that's going to be 28. 28 divided by 4 is going to be 7, 14, 21, 28. It's going to be 7. That gives me the mean of 7. The median of 8, the two middle numbers are 7 and 9. We work out that median by adding them together and divided by 2, which means median of 8. Great. And the mode means the most frequent number you can see here is 9, which is 9, which is great. So find four numbers. I've got 3, 7, 9, and 9. There are my three numbers.